Alright, hi everybody, hello boys and girls, we are back once again in our online class. Okay, I hope you will not forget that we still have to going on. Okay, we still have to do this online learning, so hopefully I really hope that you watch this. Alright, so for today, okay, I'm going to continue our lesson, okay, which is we are going back to our textbook. So if you still remember last 3 weeks, yeah, 3 weeks ago, we stopped at unit 13, okay, unit 13 pollution. Alright, so if you have your textbook, I want you may open your textbook. Okay, you may take out your textbook and open it, and if you don't worry, I will show it here on the screen, so I don't want to waste any time, so let's go for it. Okay, so if you have your textbook, okay, you can open page 112. So this is the text that we are going to do today. Alright, we are doing this one, page 112. So what we're going to do is, number one, we're going to read the text, right? This text, we are going to read it all, and after that I will explain about the text, and lastly I will ask you to do the exercise based on what we have read, okay, from the text. So are you ready? So let's do this one. All right. Okay, so if you still remember on our last lesson, last 3 weeks, what we have learned is about the pollution. If you still remember, we have 4 types of pollution. 4 types, boys and girls. 4 types. And what are they? If you can still remember. Alright, they are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and the last one is noise pollution or sound pollution. Alright, so that's the 4 pollution that we learned last 3 weeks. So we are going a bit more about those pollutions, all right, in this text. So yeah, let's start to read. Let's read with me. I want you read with me, all right? I want you follow me, okay? Read this one together with me, alright? We'll start from here. People are responsible for polluting the environment. Do you agree? Give 2 reasons for your answer. So you see, in the last lesson, if you still remember, we have talked about this one. Why air pollution happen? Where air pollution come from? It comes from the car. What about the car? It comes from the smoke. Where does the smoke come from? Who used the car? Who used the car? It is us, the people who use the car. So do you agree that most of the pollution, no matter air pollution, water pollution, any pollution, actually it begins with us, the human? Do you agree with that? It's up to you. You answer yourself, okay? Alright. Okay, we will start from here. If you can see my yeah, this one. Okay, can you see it here? Alright, we will start from here. Ready? Gas fumes from cars and smoke from factory chimneys pollute the air. Okay, we will do a bit one more time. Gas fumes from cars and smoke from factory chimneys pollute the air. So you see gas fumes from the car. Okay, what is fumes? You can see here, this is the meaning of fumes. In another word, fumes is the smoke. Anything anything comes in terms of smoke, it has the color, it has the smell. That's what we call fumes. Okay, so in another word, here you can also say it is smokes from cars and smoke from factory chimneys pollute the air. Right, what is chimneys? Chimneys is all right, let's I just show you the example of chimney so that you know. Okay, this is the factory. All right, I'm sure you know what is a factory. All right, so usually for any factory, most of the factory, especially those who produce smoke, they will have chimney. This is what we call chimney. All right, I'll show you. Wait a second. All right, this is what we call chimney. All right, chimney usually any smoke from inside that will go outside. This is the smoke. All right, this is the chimney. Okay, a chimney is a hollow structure that allows the smoke from a fire inside a building to escape to the air outside. So because of the smoke inside this factory, they need to release it, so they use a chimney to release the smoke. Right, so this is the Chinese meaning of a chimney. So let's go back. So that is chimney. Okay, chimney. So you see, what are the cause of air pollution is mostly from gas fume. Where does this gas fumes come from? From the car, and also smoke from factory chimney. That's where air pollution come from. Okay, number 2. Factories should recycle water and stop releasing chemicals into our lakes and rivers. Alright, now this factory, they are not only release the smoke just now, the one that we saw just now. They not only release smoke, some factory also release the water, because they use the water. So this water is very dirty. So what they do is, because of they use some chemicals, all right, chemicals, we will see this is the meaning of chemicals, because they use chemicals to make product. Okay, to make something they use chemical. So what they do is they take out that chemical and then put it into our lakes and river. If you still remember, we talked about this last 3 weeks, last year in Pasir Gudang. If you can still remember, Pasir Gudang, they had a water pollution. Alright, so what happened is, this factory, this unresponsible factory, very bad one, right? They because they don't know where they want to throw the chemical, and this chemical is very powerful, very dangerous. They release it into the river, and after that you can see because of the river polluted, okay, water pollution in that river in Pasir Gudang. So what happened was many people get sick. Okay, so that's the bad thing about water pollution. Right, number 3, we should use washing powder that does not harm the environment. Okay, this one, what does it mean? If you notice, whenever your mother or your father wash your clothes using the washing machine, they will put some powder. Alright, they will put some powder. So whenever we use that powder to wash anything, alright, wash anything, not only clothes, anything that we want to wash, make sure we not use the powder that harm the environment. Okay, what is harm? This word, or another English word for it is danger. That is danger, that bring dangers to the environment. Okay, next one. Factories pollute the water and the ground with toxic waste. Fish and animals are killed when they drink the water. So factories, just now we talked about it, factories, when they pollute the water and the ground with toxic waste. What is toxic here? Toxic is a chemical that is so dangerous. Okay, so dangerous. So what happened with this toxic? If let's say this toxic splash on your hand, or sometimes maybe get inside your mouth, you drink it, it's going to be dangerous for your life. Okay, so that's not very good. So what happened when the factory throw this toxic waste into the river, all right, and when they throw the toxic waste into the river will become pollute and become water pollution, and then the fish or animal which is inside the water or drink the water from that river, they will be killed, they die. Okay, so that's not good either. All right, next one. We should use our cars less and walk, cycle, or use public transport more. So the way we want to reduce, we want to make the air pollution become less. One of the ways we should use less car. We should not use the car more. Can you understand or not? So if we not use the car, what should we use? We can walk, cycle, or use public transport. What is public transport? Here is the meaning of public transport. Another example of public transport. Examples of public transports are bus, taxi, or now some people use Grab. Or if you go to big city like Kuala Lumpur, they have LRT, they have MRT, they have train. Those things are public transports. Okay, so continue. We should also use unleaded petrol. So unleaded, I cannot explain it because you might not understand it, so I just write it the Chinese meaning here. Okay, because this is more technical, so I don't think you can understand it. But one of the way that we could reduce air pollution is by using unleaded petrol. Because why? Unleaded petrol will produce less smoke from the car. Okay, so next one. There should be stricter laws to stop factories from polluting the air. Okay, stricter comes from the word strict. Okay, this is the meaning. So let's say if you don't want people polluting the air, let's say some people doing open burning. Open burning means they put the fire in open space. So when they put a fire in open space, there will be more smoke. So what we can do is, for example, if people do open burning, we can find them. Okay, we can summon them, or you will call saman. All right, summon them for, like, let's say, okay, if you do open burning, you have to pay 1,000 ringgit or 2,000 ringgit or maybe 10,000 ringgit. So when there is strict law, people will avoid that thing. People don't want to do that thing. All right. And the last one, we also pollute the environment when we use detergent that contains chemicals that can harm the environment. Okay, this is the meaning of detergent. All right, this is the meaning of detergent. So detergent is, the example is, again, if you see your father, mother, or anybody, okay, wash your clothes in that washing machine, they will take like a soap, you know, liquid one, the water one, liquid one, they will put inside. That one we call detergent. All right, detergent. But not only washing, when washing the clothes, we have so many detergents, types of detergents. All right, so that thing is what we call detergent. All right, detergent. Okay, so time for exercise. Yeah. Okay, so for this exercise, I want you to listen to me. All right, listen carefully. For this exercise, you may write in your exercise 1. You don't have exercise 1, you write in exercise 2. Let's say, teacher, I don't have exercise 1, I don't have exercise 2, 不见了, lost already. So what should I do? If you don't have exercise 1, you don't have exercise 2, just take a paper. Any paper will do. Okay, any paper. And then you write that exercise in your exercise book or the paper. After you finish, I want you take the picture. Snap the picture of your homework. Take the picture and send it to me. How to send? I think before you click the hand in, turn in, I think you can take the picture. There is a button. Okay, there is a button so that you can attach the picture. You can give me the picture. Just give me the picture. Okay, so that's what I want to do. Okay, all right. If you don't know how to snap the picture, just write in the comment after this. Teacher, I don't know how to snap the picture and give it to me. Teacher, I don't know. You just write there, and maybe if many of you don't know how to do it, I will make one video to show you. Okay, so yeah, and make sure after you finish it, you give me the picture, and then please click hand in or turn in. Please don't forget. All right, this is the exercise. Okay, number 1, please write the day, write this one, write the date. Don't forget, don't ever forget that. Okay, and then based on the text read, write the correct answers in the blanks. Okay, this is the exercise. Teacher, where to find the answer? All the answers are here. Okay, you have to find it. Okay, and then this exercise a bit challenging, a bit hard, because you see I change the sentence, so you have to find. Okay, I changed the sentence a bit, but the answer, no, the answer is still the same. Okay, so that's it. I will put this one in your Google Classroom. Okay, you can see this picture in that Google Classroom. After that, write in your exercise book or paper. After that, give that picture to me. Snap a picture of your work, give it to me, I will mark. Okay, all right, I think that's all for now. I will see you next week. Okay, I will see you next week or in the next video. Anything, just write in that comment, and I hope you will do this exercise. That's all for now, boys and girls. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.